The Complete Guide to a Dog's Best Friend by 2N.
So you've decided to get yourself a best friend.
Well, you've come to the right dog. I know all there is to know about best friends.
When choosing a best friend is very important, pick the one who needs you most. Sometimes your best friend may sleep for too long. It's your job to wake them up. Best friends tend to have a poor sense of direction, so you must lead the way on walks.
Here are some things you can do to help your best friend around the house.
Do some gardening. Take the washing off the line. And clean the toilet.
Sometimes your best friend might get cranky for no reason, but with a slight tilt of the head, you can soon cheer them up.
Your best friend will often leave treats out for you. Make sure you eat them quickly before your best friend changes their mind.
Make sure you always protect your best friend from any danger.
Whenever your best friend gets home, you must greet them straight away. The longer they've been gone, the bigger fuss you need to make.
Sometimes your best friend will do things that make no sense, but no matter what.
You should always show your best friend how much you love them.